Business Strategy in Lockdown, number 6, series continued. Why listen to this? This is about how to clarify your thinking, transform your performance in the area of business value. And today we're going to be looking at data. At some point we have to get to look at the data when it comes to business strategy. Unfortunately, sometimes there's just a mass of data and you don't know where to start. So I faced this problem back in the day when I was doing my MBA, and during that MBA I was commissioned to look at an acquisition for a corporate company, and I had all this information and all these business models, but I didn't know how to fit them together in any way that would be clear or logical. So I knew I had to solve this problem. Now, at the same time, I was studying NLP. And in the field of NLP, there was a person called Gregory Bateson, who's a famous anthropologist. And he had faced the same issue in the areas of learning and communication. He had a massive data. How could he classify that data so that he could get a useful intervention for the people that he was working with? Gregory Bateson went to the field of mathematics and logic, and he borrowed the theory of logical types. And it solved his problem, and it solved mine. Now, the theory of logical types states that a member of the class is not the class itself. So, this is a child, and a child is a member of a family, but is not the class itself. This family is a member of a tribe, but is not the class itself. So here we have 3 different logical types of information. I took that theory and I applied it to a business acquisition. And I came up with 6 different sets of information that enabled me to fit it all together. And those 6 sets were society, industry, market, organization, profit and loss, and capital. And I've applied that model successfully to sorting out masses of data when you're looking at business strategy. So the information for that model will be in the links below. A reference point to the theory of logical types will be in the links below. And my tip for today is, if you're faced with a mass of data which is confusing, then use the theory of logical types. Thank you.